Do you want to visit the best city in Brazil? Probably Jericoacoara would be your best choice. You must be well knowledgeable about food and beverages. To help those who do not know what to do in Jericoacoara, we have separated some very cool and fun attractions. Fresh seafood galore. Jericoacoara offers a seafood lover's dream. Indulge in mouthwatering dishes featuring shrimp, lobster, octopus, and various fish species. Don't miss the chance to savor macaca, a traditional Brazilian fish stew. Local delicacies. Beyond seafood, Jericoacoara offers unique regional dishes like tapioca, a Brazilian crepe made from cassava flour, and Coxinha, delicious chicken croquettes. Fresh fruit juices. Start your day with a fresh fruit juice. These drinks are not only refreshing, but also packed with vitamins. Dining options for all tastes. You'll also find international cuisine and vegetarian-friendly options. Whether you're a seafood enthusiast, a meat lover, or a vegetarian, there's something to satisfy every palate. Savor the sunset. Jericoacoara is famous for its spectacular sunsets. Many beachfront bars offer sunset parties, where you can sip cocktails, listen to live music, and watch the sun dip below the horizon, a perfect way to cap off your day. I hope that these suggestions will be helpful if you intend to have a holiday in Jericoacoara.